Hi guys, and welcome to another area video. In this video we are going to look at parallelograms. Now, what is parallelogram? So it looks like a kind of like a tilted rectangle, I guess. It looks like part of one, so if I get a pen, it looks like this part of the rectangle, if I can make a square, like it's square off, has been moved over to here. Very terrible drawings, but that's what it looks like, doesn't it? And what you'll notice is that these little arrows are saying these two lines are parallel, and these two here say that this and this are parallel. And the line says that these two are the same length, and these two here are the same length. So that's what that all means. So what is a parallelogram? It's essentially the same as a rectangle. It's a bit tilted or had part of it moved around. We call this our base. So the base is the bottom, and then our height, as you can see, runs perpendicular, which means at a right angle to the base. So the height is always perpendicular or at a right angle or 90 degrees to the base. Let's do some examples. So to find the area, we have to multiply the base and the height. Very similar to rectangles, except that the height is a little bit different here. It's not the length of the side, it's the height that is perpendicular to the base or right angle to the base. So area equals base times height, or we can again say area equals BH, but remember that means multiply, so when you put your numbers into that, you need to put a multiply between them. Let's do some examples. So let's look at 7 millimeters. So 7 millimeters and 4 millimeters. So again, area equals base times height. I've copied that. Area equals base times height. Base is our 7 millimeters. Our height is our 4 millimeters because it's at a right angle. So our area equals 4 times 7, which gives us 28 millimeters. Oops, and this should have millimeters squared here. So millimeters squared because again we're doing area, so it's squared units. One more example. Here's another example where we have 9 and 400 centimeters and 5 meters. So now we've got 3, so we need to work out which one's the correct one. So again, area equals base times height, or BH. Our base is 9 meters. Now, which one of these heights is the correct one? So we've got one here and one here. Remember, it's the one that's a right angle to the base. This length here is not at 90 degrees. This isn't 90 degrees, it's less than 90 degrees. So this isn't the correct one, so we go 400 centimeters. Remember, they have to be in the same unit, which means we're going to convert 400 centimeters into meters by dividing it by 100. So we'll divide by 100, which gets rid of those zeros and gives us 4 meters. And so to solve this, we go area equals 4 meters times 9 meters, which gives us area equals 36 meters squared. So don't forget those squared units. So hopefully you got that all down. If you didn't, go back and watch it again. Make sure you ask lots of questions, and good luck doing some work yourself. Thanks, guys.